So, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how you print cable flags using the PT-E310BT. You can see here along this panel we have all of the different hotkeys: faceplate, cable wrap, cable flag, etc. You want to select the cable flag function. Now you can see there's a couple of different layouts that you can choose from. I'm just going to keep it as it is because I want to repeat the identifier on both sides. Flag length. So this is going to be the length of the flag on either side of the cable. You can see here that it sets at 30mm by default, but I can change that. So let's go ahead and do a 40mm. Your cable diameter, again, you select the OD. And then the orientation down here, you can see I can change it different ways, but I'm just going to keep it as is. And then finally, you want to press the OK button. It then comes up with a blank screen. So I'm actually going to serialize the job to save time, rather than type out every label individually. So first, we need to enter our identifiers. A01-01. OK. Next, we need to select the serialize key. We do this by holding down the Shift key and pressing this button right here where the serialize icon is. Now, as I move this cursor, I need to make sure that if I'm going to select the 0, that the cursor's on the left of the 0. OK. Then we need to press the right arrow to highlight the 1 and press OK. So, at the top here you can enter the number of flags you want. We'll just go with 24. Press OK. At this point, you can preview how your labels are going to look. Once we're happy, press Escape and come out of there. And then we can go ahead and print. You'll then have the option to print everything, all 24 flags. Current, which is what's on the screen, or a specific range. I'm going to select range. And we can choose, say, 1 to 4. And then we hit the print button. The machine will then prompt you each time it's ready to cut the label using the simple manual cutter here. And there you have your 4 cable flags, A01-01 to A01-04. So at this point you can go ahead and install the flag. Little tip, it does leave a line that shows you the center. So when you come to wrap the label around the cable, just ensure that the line is along the center of the cable and you should get a nice neat cable flag.